I'm Connor, and I'm going to be telling you about the book Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. This book is filled with amazement. The main characters are Charlie, Mr. Wonka, and Grandpa Joe. Mr. Wonka was trying to put 5 golden tickets into 5 candy bars, and after that, people were going crazy going for the hidden 5 golden tickets. Then, when everyone has collected the 5 golden tickets, they break the rules. First, Augustus Gloop goes up a pipe and gets stuck. Next, Violet Brigade was chewing gum when Mr. Wonka told her it's not ordinary gum. And then she tastes different kinds of food. When she tastes the dessert, she turns into a big blueberry. After that, Veruca Salt wants one of the squirrels that Mr. Wonka has for a pet. She goes into the room and the squirrels throw her down the garbage chute. Finally, in the television room, Mike TV goes in front of the special TV camera and zaps himself into a million pieces. If you want to find out how the story ends, you should read the book.